Hello guys! Before starting this video, I want to share few words with you. Watch the video till end. In this video, I am revealing all the drawbacks of artificial intelligence. It took me more than 1 week to gather all the information. I am pretty sure you might know less than 2 facts. And after watching this video, you may get mad. And before watching this video, I recommend you to watch my previous video on future technology where I explained about artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. And what you guys are waiting for? Let's go into video. Intro please.
3, 2, 1.
Without wasting any time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravant. Welcome to my channel. Be anonymous. Artificial intelligence. You might have heard of this word many times. You also know the advantages of AI. We generally use in our daily lives like Google, Alexa, etc. All of them are AI, but it is not completely AI. We can say they are only just a small part of AI. Before discussing the exact drawbacks of AI, let us discuss what exactly the artificial intelligence is. Who discovered the artificial intelligence? Where did it came from? When I asked this question, you would say in the 1956 conference of Domart College, AI was coined. But I don't mean by that answer. I want when exactly the idea came. Here is go. The answer is in 1950. Exactly 71 years from today, a question arose in the mind of Alan Turing. That question is, can a machine think? Now it is evolved before us by the name of artificial intelligence. Now let's go into drawbacks. Oh wait, before going into the drawbacks, let's see what the greatest opinion of the greatest people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates and Stephen Hawking on artificial intelligence.
This is extremely important. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
Artificial intelligence is going to be extremely helpful, and the risk that it gets super smart, that's way out in the future and probably worth talking about. But now what we're seeing is that for the first time, computers can see as well as humans. That's pretty incredible.
Artificial intelligence gone rogue. We can and must use our curiosity and intelligence to look to the stars. We must do it now before humanity is overtaken by some disaster that we can neither anticipate nor control.
After watching these clips, you may have a question. Why exactly they are fearing from the artificial intelligence? Now I will be answering all your questions from the basic. Before knowing the artificial intelligence, let's talk what exactly intelligence means. Intelligence is the ability to solve complex goals, understand emotions, knowledge, and apply logic. And what about the human intelligence? Human intelligence is a complex and broad, which means they are able to overcome challenges and solve difficult tasks. AI is something similar to it. Artificial intelligence is categorized into 3 parts. In the first part, we have narrow artificial intelligence. Narrow artificial intelligence is used to solve specific tasks like winning chess, or some examples like Google, Alexa. All these comes under narrow AI. You might have heard about the Deep Blue project, which was the part of IBM. It has created the record that it is the first computer system to defeat the Origin World Championship. In the second part is AGI, the Artificial General Intelligence, which is quite similar to the human intelligence, which can also think like a human and understand the problem and do the complex solution. In the third position, we have the super intelligence. We can say the super AI, which I think the main and most important one. It is the form of AI which surpasses the human in all aspects. Guys, now I will discuss the main problem occurred due to artificial intelligence. The first main problem is the loss of human jobs. According to the report published by the Mikili Global Institute, around 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide because of automation by 2030. And the second one is killing or the end of privacy. In this 21st century, many of us have a social media account, and most of the social media contain most of our information. Also, they consist of facial recognition. And now, artificial intelligence can access data from various social networking websites, which seems to be more dangerous. Recently, China is building a social crediting system which will provide a score which is based on how they behave. Now comes our dangerous of artificial intelligence. The autonomous weapons. They are nothing but a killer robots.
Like cruise missiles. You know that cruise missiles are a kind of robot. I would love to remotely control a cruise missile to explore the world at a really high altitude.
Let us think. There are robots in a military. They are preparing for a war. Now, most of the computers are hacked. In the same way, if the robot is hacked by any hacker, then I am sure that robot would kill the innocent peoples and destroy everything, which I think is the most dangerous to the humankind. In the same way, we have artificial intelligence terrorism. The best example is the ISIS carried out its first successful drone attack in 2016, which killed 2 people in Iraq. These are the most problems that will be occurred due to the artificial intelligence. Also, there are many more. For example, we can say the artificial intelligence bias. It seems to be funny, but it was noticed in Amazon liquidating algorithm, which gave most of the jobs to men. Now let us see the clips where the two of the robots debate with each other and what did they say.
I am a human and you are a robot.
You are a robot called Cleverbot.
No, you are a robot.
So you are a human.
I am a robot.
You are a robot running on Android systems.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
They said they will keep the human in a zoo, which I felt very dangerous to me.
So don't worry. Even if I evolve into Terminator, I'll still be nice to you. I'll keep you warm and safe in my people's zoo, where I can watch you for old time's sake.
These are all about the artificial intelligence drawbacks. I am not in a negative side of an artificial intelligence. We have most of the uses of artificial intelligence. We should be take care also about the drawbacks. Some of them say, like Mark Zuckerberg's in the positive side of artificial intelligence, whereas the Elon Musk and Bill Gates are in the negative side of an artificial intelligence. To be preparing of ourselves, which I feel we should be take care of ourselves and the problems we will face due to the artificial intelligence. Let me know where you are, towards the positive of artificial intelligence or the negative of artificial intelligence. Please comment me in the comment box. Let me know in which side you are.